Ubizo Lungibize engalweni Ngiyokhalela bani nayi iphimbo lami liphindaphinde entabeni Ngithi inyawo zami ngibeleze kulomhlaba nemsini Ngifunana noxolo engalweni
Sawubona to you, sawubona to yours. From one great spirit to another, igama lami uThulani Malevu. Welcome to Ubizo. Today we speak names, not to summon the ones of transition to Bangaseko, but to release the living, because what is unnamed does not disappear. It returns. It's patterns, pain, and repetition. Many of our families do not suffer from curses per se. They suffer from silence. Stories cut short, names never spoken, truth buried for peace. But silence is not peace though. Silence is storage. Because when a name is erased, the lesson remains unfinished. When a life is hidden, the wound looks for another body to occupy. Ongakhulunywanga kuyaphinda-phinda. What is not spoken repeats itself. In Alkebulan tradition, a name is not a label. It is a location in the spirit world. To name is to acknowledge existence, to restore dignity, to complete a journey. That is why colonization stole names first. Rename people, places, even Umdali, the divine creator. Because when you remove names, you remove accountability. And when there is no accountability, cycles roam freely. Eventually, what you refuse to name learns how to disguise itself. Some ancestors were never honored, not because they were evil, but because they were inconvenient. The ones who died in shame, the ones who broke tradition, who failed publicly, who loved wrongly, the ones who lost everything. Families erase them to protect image, but the spirit does not disappear just because the mouth refuses truth. Unmourned lives become restless lessons. The one not mourned returns. To remember is not to romanticize, it is, however, to contextualize. When you say, this was my grandfather's addiction, this was my aunt's silence, this was the child who never came home, you are not dishonoring the family. You are remembering the sentence. And you are finishing it. Naming restores order. Order restores peace. I speak your name not to carry your pain, but to let it rest. You see, great spirits, cycles break when truth becomes public. Start here. Learn real names, not nicknames. Ask how people lived, not just how they died. And notice repeating patterns without blame. Speak their names during prayer, libation, or silence. You do not need any ritual louder than honesty. A cycle ends when it is finally seen. Ukukhumbula nje kukodwa kuyakhulula. Remembering liberates. Your ancestors are not asking for worship. They are asking for recognition. And your children, those born and unborn, are waiting for the cycle to stop. Therefore, when you name the ones of transitioned with truth, abangaseko, the living get to breathe differently. This is not about the past. This is about permission for the future to move freely. Speak the names. Tell the stories. Finish what was interrupted. You are not reopening wounds. You are closing them properly. Until next time, okuhle, umusa, kanye nokukhanya ekuhambeni kwakho. Light, mercy, and sacred illumination on your path.